Well, Gen X Jefferson coming at you again with another adventure. I am heading to Albuquerque to see my buddy Clay P. Gen X Jefferson coming at you from a scratchy voice in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We are driving through the Sandy Mountains, which is on the bottom of the Rocky Mountains. Got my boy Clay P driving this windy fucking road, and he is going to take me all over, and I'm super
New
stoked.
Mexico.
All
Three
over
mountain ranges.
3 mountain ranges.
8 hours of driving today through mountains. It's not the desert, you guys.
We are now at Camel Rock. Camel toe. Who the fuck knows? I can't talk, I'm so raspy. Rah. We're in Tesuque Pueblo. They call this the Camel Rock. It looks like a camel, doesn't it? Fucking right it does. Hell yeah. Peace. Now we are heading to the Blood of Christ, better known as the Sangre de Cristo. Rah. All right, we made it. We are on the top of the Blood of Christ. What a fucking view. Holy fuck. It's amazing up here. It's so peaceful and serene. Definitely, I would recommend anybody who is in or around New Mexico, Albuquerque, or Santa Fe to definitely check this place out. And look at the view. It doesn't get any better than this. We're heading to Taos, Rio Grande Gorge. We made it. Yeah. Made it to the Rio Grande Gorge recreational area. This is the nice little pretty map that they got here for us. And it's on the West Rim Trail of the Rio Grande. I don't see no motor vehicles. I guess you can fly drones. We've been in the car for about 8 hours, fucked around for about 4, went to several different mountains and fucking historical places. Breakfast at Santa Fe at Counter Culture Cafe. It was delicious. I had a frittata. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video with a friend that you think might enjoy it, and comment below if you think Clay P should shave his beard. Up your ass is where it's at. Fucking New Hampshire, or new fucking see, this is for my bloopers right here, because I can't fucking talk in front of the fucking camera.